Up a new Hobart dishwasher. In Singer. It's got a little wobble to her. Maybe an adjustment on legs or something. Well, we got a water line. We got a drain here. I should be able to put a piece of copper in here and clamp it. And the old one went into here, so I could rehook that back up, and I should be able to get something to go into that 3/4 feeder there. Either that or I could just put the hose on. I don't think I need this check valve. It's got a built-in strainer on that thing. Never a dull moment. Alright, so this is 3/4 and the other feet is 1/2 inch, so I could just use this bushing. Brass nipple on a bushing. And I'll be able to. It's not going to be sticking out too far. I got room, I think. Yeah, it does have a pressure reducing valve. I probably don't even need that check valve, but I could put it in there. Ain't that big of a deal. This does have a strainer in it, and it is a pressure reducing valve for the old one. I'm not sure if we need that or not. I want to leave it. We'll see how it works. If he complains about it, I'll pull it out. Yeah, I got room to put that. Let's see if I can put it in there. Ain't gonna hurt to have the pressure reducing valve and the check valve in there. Seeing it came with it, I'm gonna leave it on there. It's got a built-in screen. Seeing it came with it. And this stuff here I like to use, that just gets the garden hose on there. See, it's just a built-in screen. It's not a check valve, it's a screen. I'm going to put both Teflon. I'm going to put it on clockwise. It's always good to put double Teflon and pipe dope. Nice brass adapter. 3/4 by 1/2. And put some Smurf jism on there. You want to do both. Don't hurt. Don't hurt to do both. bit more than not enough. Okay. It's just a strainer, that's all it is. It's a strainer to keep all the shit out of the solenoid valve. And that's a strainer. I really should point it down. I'll go around one more time. Alright, that's good. Get the water pipe on the inside. And the other part's going to be the drain. Do something with the drain. That'll fit in there. I need a piece of copper, I think. Nope, that ain't going to work. I got to do something better than that. Hook something up there so it don't leak. Figure something out. Oh, that's fucking hard. I'm gonna have to torch it. Rubber's really hard there. That's a hard one. It's all crusty. Crusty and rusty. So I'm going to go on there with 5/8 holes, I know that. Alright, so I got a 1/2 by 3/4. Is that going to be too much or is that going to work? might have to just go with a 1/2-inch coupling on there maybe. Alright, so I got a 1/2-inch coupling. I'm thinking that's going to work in there. You know, I'll be able to clamp that down good with a hose clamp, and it won't leak. Just got to solder it. Just got to solder it on the piece. Sometimes you gotta MacGyver shit, make things work. You know? MacGyver. Go MacGyver. MacGyver. Once that cools off, I'll run it under the water and cool it off. It'll be good. Alright, it's all cooled off. That'll be our adapter piece. Once that's tightened up, that won't leak. Next, this is regular 5/8 wash machine holes is all it is. Dishwasher holes. A piece of copper in there is all it is. It's fine, ain't gonna leak. It'll last a long time. What I gotta do is I gotta put this up, clip it, and then you want it to run up high. high as you can go. And then we'll go in, we'll put a clip on it somehow. Give it a little heat treatment. Soften it up a little bit. Go right on. You gotta give it the old how you doing. You gotta give it the old how you doing. Sitting in the truck all day. It's cold. Cold as my ex-wife. I gotta just make sure I clip it where it goes up. It goes up and it's clipped. I got the hose clamped in there. I had to heat it up to get it over there a little bit. And it goes up. It goes all the way up and then back down. And I got the water coming in here. The water. There's the water. And I should be able to push this back. Should be enough slack on this stuff where it stays behind there. If not, I could pull this in if I had to. They got the trays and stuff on the other side. That should do it. He's filling. That dumps it. Here's a leaker.